What I'm about to do is make a video about this early 70s 50 horsepower on how to do the wiring harness on the inside. They make 3 different versions of one harness, but they are 3 different setups depending on the ignition system. This one happens to have this style distributor, which I believe is an energizer style, so it's a little bit different. So you've got your 2 yellow stator wires that are going to the rectifier, as you can see, and you have the brown wire which comes in over here, probably going to your tack that goes to one side. You've got the red wire coming to the opposite pole that you see over there. So there is the rectifier. I got a better shot of that. And on the other side, it's pretty straightforward. You've got your heavy red cable that goes to the starter relay or your starter solenoid. You've got your yellow that goes to the one side of that starter solenoid. You've got a ground wire going to the other side, going to your frame. You've got the black going to that same position over there. And there's the red wire going through. You've got the salmon wire that is hooked up to the blue. The white wire is closed off on this design, so that's not being used. So what you have is you've got this gray wire, which goes to your choke. So you've got the gray wire going up to your choke. You've got the red wire going to your rectifier. This brown wire going to the other side of the rectifier. Yellow going to one side of the solenoid, black going to the other. Positive, salmon comes all the way to your switch box over here, and that goes to the blue. And that, I believe, are all your wires. The white does not get hooked up on the energizer. So you've got that hooked up right there. And those are your wires that come out of the harness.
Thank you for watching this brief video. Please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and feel free to leave a comment. I usually respond to comments in 24 to 48 hours. Have a great day today and every day.